Hello students, today we will learn English grammar conjunctions. Do you know what is the meaning of conjunction? Conjunction are the words that are used to join the words, phrases, clauses or sentences. What does the conjunction means? The word used to join the sentences, phrases or clauses are called as conjunction. For example, Monish is untidy but quick in his work. See, the two words are joining over here, untidy and quick. We add the conjunction but over there. Okay. Next, Sumaira sold a green pencil and a red pen to the little boy. Here, two phrases are joining. Okay. Next, the boy was unhappy because he had lost his book. Because is the conjunction which is added over here to join the two clauses. Okay. Some conjunctions and, or, but, for, because, that, when, if, whether, while, though, although, as, etc. Some conjunctions are given over here and some conjunctions are used in the sentences to join the two words, two phrases and two clauses. Some examples are given. Okay, now we will start with the exercise. First question is underline the conjunction in the following sentences. First is Salim stayed at home because he was ill. So, because is the conjunction over here. See, because is a conjunction in this sentence. Okay. After that, second, though the man was rich, he did not want to spend any money. So, though is over here conjunction. Third, she must weep or she will die, they said. Or is conjunction over here. The she must weep or she will die. They joined the two clauses or the two sentences. Okay. That vasque will break if you are not careful. If is a conjunction. Father will help me with his homework with this homework when he returns from book. When is conjunction. Understood? So, question second. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunctions from those given in the bracket. Now, in the bracket, conjunctions are given to you and you have to fill in the following sentences. Okay? So, the first question. We stood mute dash motionless. So we will use and over here. We stood mute and motionless. After that, I was surprised to see dash our worship was playing. That we will use that over here. Citizens make a noise dash they spurt water from their blowholes. When we will use what we will use when he was offered in his freedom dash he did not take it. We will use but over here. Understanding all of you? Okay. So next, fifth, he did not join the other crows dash he was really a jungle crow. He did not join the other crow because he was really a jungle crow. Next, sixth point. Dash man was meant to talk more. Dash listens less. He would have 2 mouths, and dash only 1 ear. So, if man was meant to talk more and listen less, he would have two mouths and only one ear. Okay. Now seventh example. Answer dash. I will send the dog at you. Answer or I will send the dog at you. 8-1. His face filled with happiness, dash he remembered his dream. His face filled with happiness as or we can use when he remembered his dream. So understood all of you? Okay, so refer for the sentences which are given to you. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.